Dr. D. Prajakumar, Joint Director, and his team for the support. It is true then we are organizing this awareness program and installation of plastic powder bank in Ukhrul. Kamatek was formed by like-minded persons to work something for Ukhrul, particularly on environment issues. Kamatek and Tangre locality decided to adopt Tangre as a model locality of Ukhrul. And our movement on solid waste management would be expanded to whole of Ukhrul town in phased manner. We have target to achieve plastic-free Tangre within 6 months from the day of launching this program. Plastic bottle bag would be installed for collections. Kamatek, in order to achieve our goals, would be organizing household cleanliness competition, awareness campaign, plantation drive, social work, social media campaign, etc.
500 liters in the 400 rupees per year. That is around equivalent to 1 rupees per liter. How far we can go? It has been written day by day. No, only in the label. Sooner or later, in a city on bottle, the Patlanga, Pilana, Sunshine, Habitat, Tarakrama. She could consume the over of them. She compulsory whatever, it's not occasional, it's compulsory now. Other equity extensive was the Anand Madi Kedorani. I in Park or Mapi of the Yavare, in a Karotrap, and Mahingo. Is it possible to take this clean air to breathe? Or are we ready to give the clean air for them? More clean air of the without masks, free oxygen. Similarly, as a parent, we should think on that. As a parent, there are lots of responsibility. We should take the responsibility. We should take the responsibility to control those things and to preserve those things and to think for my generation. Say, to think my generations. As being a parent, I use the Kandahore, I say, I San Pam, I San Pazna, in none of my consider. Clean water in a migrant company. How they conserve all these resources. Mokoina Kandong Lasigi, Levi, Forest Color Tango, Mokoina Spring, the Kamai Kambirango, Mokoina Levi, the Kamai Nasio Tango, since last 2,500 years, ancestors in Tango. So please try to follow on that. Try to have a very good documentation on that, based on the traditional knowledge, how my ancestors do this work. Then try to apply your knowledge, new knowledge. Now, new knowledge, the Hapsa knowledge, then blend it, traditional knowledge and then modern knowledge, blend it. Then you will try to enhance more and more towards the conservation. Options only later.
Organization like that, it will see us all being it's a awareness. She done right now. How about